stop, read. GoPro really does try to make constant updates. So usually when I record in 4K, because this is 4K, because usually when I record in 4K, it does not enable the preview. So right now, obviously, you're getting the, whatever it is. What the heck is this thing called? The zoom in of death? But anyways, we're not here about the 4K-ness. I do appreciate the fact that they made some changes. What we are here for is we're here for this thing, man. This is the Redcat Racing. This is my Redcat Racing Camo X4. Yeah, the battery's still plugged in. This truck has been a phenomenal truck. We did end up with a slight issue. I am only rear-wheel drive now. I suspect possibly a pin came loose in the drive shaft because we no longer have front drive. So the front drive is well, how do I show you this? Yeah, see? The front drive is now spinning free. So I suspect we lost something as far as a pin goes. This thing is very dirty. I probably should clean this, but I'm just going to do this right now because, guy, I want to get out there and rip. I really just want to get back out there and have some fun with this thing. And with some other cars, man. So yeah, if you want to see this dive into possibly what's wrong, if you want to see the dive into possibly what's wrong with this thing, let's really quickly get this thing apart and see what's going on here. Like I said, I think I just lost a pin. I should probably nut and bolt check this thing and whatever, and I should clean it, but yeah, guy, no. So 1, 2, 3, 4 screws to remove. This is my custom 3D printed battery tray GPS holder. It has seen some better days, and I might redesign this again. And who knows? I might provide this on the shop. I don't know. Most likely not. Most likely not. So just keep in mind, this isn't going to be the typical camo, just because mine is just very slightly different, only because of what I've got here. I do believe there was some type of a brace maybe or something. Again, it's been years, guy. So 4 screws that I've got, pops off this tray, and look, it's exactly what happened. That is exactly what that's all that happened, guy. So if you look down inside, that's all that happened. The stinking set screw disappeared. That's it. Yeah, guys. So all it was a set screw? All right, so hopefully I can find a set screw. Damn, that's it, man. That ain't nothing. If you saw what I did to this thing, man. Whoa. Ah! That's not too bad. Hopefully I can find a set screw for this thing. That's a pretty good size set screw. So that means it probably didn't have Loctite on it. Could that have been from the factory where Redcat was kinda sketch cat saving? And that's what I'm saying, man. Look at the smile on my face. Such an easy, nothing repair for this Redcat Racing Camo X4. So let's see if I got a set screw to resolve this minor issue. I should have kept recording. I took the truck and I just tipped it upside down just to see potentially if the set screw was still in there. Is that similar to the luck that I have with, like, things that I just find? Like a wheel nut. Look at this. I found the stinking wheel nut. Wow! Oh, no stinking way. What? How do I get the lock, dude? Something's telling me to stinking stop. Oh no! Not already. And check it out. When does that happen? When do you actually find the piece that just fell off? Oh, we lost the wheel again? You've got to be kidding me. I just tightened that lug nut. Now I know it's gone. There is no way that I'm going to find it this time. No stinking way. How did that nut fall off this time? No way! Check it out. You have got to be kidding me. Nope. Oh, lost the wheel again. Or, yeah, it's most likely, it's most often, it's wheel nuts that I lose. I mean, I don't find body pins. I mean, I do every once in a while, but I have found wheel nuts and lock nuts and stuff like that for wheels more often than not. And dude, to literally have the set screws still be inside the truck, is that saying something? Is that telling me that this Redcat Camo X4 was really always the one? Guy, that is stinking amazing. Look at, and it didn't have any Loctite on it. That was probably the reason why. And everything's fine, dude. Look at this thing. Everything is mint with this. So I'm going to go ahead and rotate this to get it onto the flat. I wonder if I should, you know what? This is what I'm going to do. So I'm going to take the, I'm going to rotate this right to the flat. And I'm going to take some of the, this stuff. I'm going to take this stuff right here. Moo Clean Industrial Grade Electrical Cleaner and Degreaser. And I'm going to put some of this on a Q-tip and run it inside. To clean that little set screw area along with this little set screw. I cannot believe this thing was in there. So I got a paper towel here. I got the little set screw. Just going to sit it on side. Take a squirt of this. Just do some of that. And give this thing a rub down. Give it a rub down. Oh, look at all the junk on there. So that is potentially some stuff that could cause an issue for a for Loctite. And then I'm going to take some, I'm going to spray it, careful what I'm doing here, but I'm going to spray it on this Q-tip. Just like that. It's going to take that Q-tip and go inside of there like this. And just kind of clean that little area. Dude, it actually threaded in. The Q-tip, look at that. Wow, look how black that is. Here, look how black that is. Holy smokes, dude, that was a lot of junk in there. It threads in, though. Dude, look at it, it threads in. All right. So it should be all good now. It is a 2.5. These drivers from this company, Hobao, these things have been great. One thing that I have bad patience with is the fact that Loctite, you're supposed to like let it sit forever. And I really don't have the time for that because I want to rip this thing. I'm going to the beach and I'm going to rip this RC as is. So let's put this into place. Give it a crank. And then take the rag that we had, we sprayed some of the stuff on there, and kind of just give it a quick little wipe down here. How about that? This is going against like everything that I know. Going against everything that I know as far as, yeah. While I'm here, because I can see that one right there, I'm just going to give this one just a little squeeze here, just to make sure it's tight. And it is. So that one's tight. This one I probably had off. I don't think I ever took this one off. So this should be fine. Dude, so that's all it was. A stinking set screw that was still sitting there in the chassis, just waiting for me to find it. Because like I said, man, this Redcat Racing Camo X4 is the one. It's the one guy. It's the one RC that, I mean, I shouldn't say the one RC. There's a bunch of RCs, man. That's another thing I want to talk about. Sometimes you can actually have too many RCs. And I do feel as though I'm at that point. Do I still want to get the latest and greatest and all the brand new stuff? Maybe I should let some go. I should definitely let some go that I never use. Crazy part is potentially this could have been one of the ones that I let go. And I'm glad I never did. I believe this was one of my first Lipo battery RCs when I got back into the hobby. I think. It's been so long that I honestly don't remember. I really don't, guy. Somebody would probably have to go back. I ain't doing it. Somebody would probably have to go back into my videos and see, like, way back when my dog died. Basically, that's what it is. When my dog died, I got a Redcat Gen 7 crawler. And I very quickly realized at that point in time, I was not a crawler kind of guy. I did enjoy it. That's the thing. I did enjoy it. But yeah, I think this Camo X4, when it came out, man, I was like, man, that's kind of a cool vehicle. I should check it out. So hopefully you enjoyed this episode from RC Guy Garage. Very short. It was a very short-lived, quick repair. But, Guy, I'm out of here. I gotta get to the beach and rip some cars, man. So if you want to see that video, be sure to look out. You know what to do. If you haven't already done it, just, come on, Guy, just do it. Also, head on over to the merch shop. Got some GPS units for sale. Got some, just whatever, dude. Go check it out. Go check it out, man, because, yeah, just go check it out. Thanks for coming, and we'll see you on the next video. I'm out of here. Full beans! Not to the water.